How to delete browsing data on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete browsing data on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings and scroll down. Here you will find the personal browsing data. Click on it and now click this one, delete browsing data. And here all you need to do is just select anything you want and then click this one, delete data, and click delete, and that's it, and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.